Hey everyone! Welcome back to Sexual Health USA. Today, we're diving into 10 things you didn't know about your vagina. Whether you're curious or just love learning about your body, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Your vagina has its own amazing cleaning system that works tirelessly every day. It's a natural process that we often overlook and don't give enough credit to. It all comes down to your vaginal secretions, which play a crucial role. These secretions are totally natural and incredibly important for your overall vaginal health. They're like little superheroes working behind the scenes to keep everything balanced and healthy, fighting off infections and maintaining cleanliness. Think of it this way. Your vagina has its own delicate ecosystem, much like a finely tuned garden. These secretions help maintain the perfect pH balance, ensuring that everything functions smoothly and stays in harmony. Let's talk about pH for a moment. The vagina likes to be slightly acidic. This acidic environment is like a protective shield against infections. It helps keep harmful bacteria from overgrowing. So, what can you do to maintain that perfect pH? Okay, let's talk about elasticity for a second. Your vagina is one of the most elastic parts of your body. It expands and contracts throughout your cycle. It can handle everything from tampons to sexual intercourse. And it does all of this while still maintaining its shape and strength. Let's talk about the clitoris. Did you know that the clitoris actually extends far beyond what you see externally? It's much larger than people realize. The clitoris is packed with over 8,000 nerve endings. It's designed to bring you joy. Your vagina is always trying to communicate with you. It has its own way of sending signals about your health and well-being. Changes in your discharge, any unusual odors, and even changes in color can all be signs that something might be a little off. These changes can indicate various conditions from infections to hormonal imbalances. Maybe it's a minor infection, or maybe it's something that needs more attention. Don't ignore those messages. Your body knows when something isn't right, and it's important to listen. Pay attention and reach out to your doctor if you have any concerns. Early detection and treatment can make a big difference in your health and peace of mind. Let's talk about appearances for a moment. Just like every part of your body, every vagina is unique. They come in all different shapes, sizes, and colors, and that's perfectly normal and healthy. Embrace your own unique beauty. Okay, this one's a little more fun. Let's talk about orgasms. Orgasms aren't just about pleasure. They're good for your vaginal health too. When you have an orgasm, it increases blood flow to the vaginal area. This helps nourish the tissues and keep everything healthy. Plus, orgasms release feel-good hormones like oxytocin, which can help reduce stress. Menstrual cups, a game changer for your vagina and the planet. Let's talk about periods. Have you ever tried a menstrual cup? If not, consider giving them a try. Menstrual cups are eco-friendly and gentle on your vagina. They're made from medical-grade silicone, so they're less likely to cause irritation or dryness. Plus, they can hold more fluid than traditional menstrual products. Just like gut health, certain foods can help promote a healthy vaginal environment. Yogurt with live cultures is a great source of probiotics, and cranberries can help prevent urinary tract infections. And of course, leafy greens are always a good idea. The mind-vagina connection. Your mental health plays a huge role in your vaginal health. Stress, anxiety, and even a bad mood can affect your hormones and overall well-being. If you're feeling stressed out, take some time for yourself. Your vagina will thank you for it. See? Your vagina is an incredible part of your body that deserves love and attention. Your vagina is way more amazing than you probably thought. It's not just an organ, it's a symbol of strength and resilience. It's a powerhouse of health, strength, and mystery. From its ability to bring life into the world to its role in your overall well-being, it's truly remarkable. Let's celebrate it and keep learning more about how to take care of it. Embrace the journey of understanding and appreciating your body. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Spread the knowledge and positivity. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more empowering content about health and wellness. Stay informed and stay empowered. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and love yourself.